Shalom. We meet again on our continue the reflection or the summary of our lessons weekly. The title were defined. After being rebuked by Pharaoh and cursed by his own people, Moses brought his own people. Moses brought complaint to God in his despair. He questioned why God allows so long Israelite to be suffer. And God responds with an affirmation of his powerful intervention. God reminds Moses of his covenant, past experiences, and his hearing of the Israelites' cry. The repetitions of the words I emphasize the personal and certain nature of God. Actions, God would not merely speak, but would decisively act to liberate the Israelite from the bondage. These reflections prompt us to consider our responses to difficult circumstances and importance of faith to God. Despite of challenges, God always hears and will act and in his own time. Moses complained actually to God about Israelites' suffering, but God responds best in accordingly in his time. This is reflection for us. Encourage unwavering faith in God during the hardship. We go to the Wednesday summary lesson. This title is about the don't give up. Sometimes we felt disappointed. Try our best. Pray and hope. But what we want doesn't happen. It feels like God has forgotten us, right? But I want to tell you the story of Israelite in Exodus chapter 6, verse 9 to 13. Show the same thing. That waited a long time for God's help. But things remained difficult and their heart were sad. And they started to doubt. This is what happened with Israelites. But remember, God is always there, even when we feel alone and disappointed. God is faithful. His promise will come through even though the road is long and hard. He is with us. As it says in Exodus chapter 6 verse 7, I will be your God. This means God always there for us. He will help us and protect us. So don't give up, even we are facing difficulties right now. Keep believing and hoping God. Keep praying and trying. Remain strong in your faith. He will surely provide and the way out and a blessing for us in His time. Amen.